First, we prepare the tools: an electric drill, a pair of scissors, an M5 hexagon socket, and a protective cover. First, we tear off the black cloth. Tear off the black cloth here. First, turn the nut to the left. Then turn the unlocking knob to the unlocking position. Also, turn it to the left, to the unlocking position. Turn it to the left. We pull out the optical fiber. Put on the protective cover. And put on the sleeves under the gun. Prevent dust from entering. Tear off the corrugated tube. Then cut the cable tie on top. Then we unplugged the laser water pipe, covered it to prevent water leakage. Tie it up with a cable tie. The other one is to remove the laser. Tie it up with a cable tie. We will unscrew this screw. Open the lid. These are the two power cables of our laser. Remove it here. There is also a grounding wire. We'll open the side door with the laser together. First, remove the two water pipes. Behind the laser. There are two water pipes behind the laser. A water inlet, a water outlet. This needs to be unplugged. First, we unplug the first one. After disassembling the two water pipes, wrap them with tape. Prevent water leakage. Remove the water pipe and wrap it with tape. Prevent water leakage. Remove the signal line. Then use a flat blade screwdriver to remove the signal line. Put it aside after removing the signal line. Remove the grounding wire on the laser. Then remove the screws in front of the laser. Then pull out the fiber head. Put the fiber head in here. Then take out the laser. Then the entire laser is removed. Put it in the box after draining the water.